The e-commerce industry is growing rapidly and many store owners are looking for help managing their Shopify stores. This means that there is a high demand for Shopify Virtual Assistant and you will have plenty of job opportunities to choose from. If you are interested in working as a Shopify Virtual Assistant, then you need to watch this video. In this video, we'll go over what it takes to be a successful Shopify Virtual Assistant, what types of clients need your services, and how to avoid getting scammed. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let's talk about the type of clients who need a Shopify Virtual Assistant. Small business owners. Small business owners are mostly running a small operation and may not have the resources to hire a full-time employee to manage their Shopify store. By hiring a Shopify virtual assistant, they can get the help they need without the expensive cost of hiring a full-time employee. The next is e-commerce entrepreneurs. These entrepreneurs may be running multiple Shopify stores and need someone to manage a specific Shopify store. As a Shopify virtual assistant, you can help them to focus on growing their business by helping them with the time-consuming tasks. Dropshippers. Dropshippers rely on their suppliers to fulfill orders but still need a virtual assistant to manage their Shopify store, mostly because they don't have time to manage it themselves for some reasons, or they don't have the knowledge and resources. So as a Shopify virtual assistant, you can help with ensuring that the dropshipper store runs smoothly and their customers are satisfied. We also have marketing agency. Marketing agency that offers VA services may outsource their work to you if you can convince them that you are a good fit. Overall, small business owners, e-commerce entrepreneurs, store managers, marketing agencies, and dropshippers are all potential clients who could benefit from hiring a Shopify virtual assistant to help manage their online store. Now to the most important part, the behaviors of clients that hires a Shopify virtual assistant. You need to know your clients so that you can easily work with them. So here are some of the behaviors you should expect. There are some clients who have little knowledge of Shopify and e-commerce. You will find most of these clients from small business owners and dropshippers. These clients are mostly aware of their end goal, which is to make money with their Shopify store. So in the process of achieving their goal, they may hire you and expect you to achieve it for them or assist them in achieving it. The downside of this type of clients is that they won't tell you what to do and will expect you to do the right thing. For you to have a successful business with them, you need to be very good at what you do because they will trust you if you can do your work and get them good results. The second behavior you should expect are the ones who know exactly what they want. You will find most of these clients from dropshippers, agencies, and e-commerce entrepreneurs. Most of them have multiple Shopify stores and are aware of what they need. You need to be very careful with them because they can tell if you are doing a good work or not. So the downside of this type of client is that you can get scammed by some of these clients. They may demand that you dedicate all your time to their business, so you can't do it as a side job. But the good part is that they will teach you what to do. So to be successful with these types of clients, you need to follow instructions and be able to work under pressure. The third types are the ones that want to add you to their team. You will find most of these clients from dropshippers, agencies, and e-commerce entrepreneur. Most of them have a successful Shopify store making thousands of dollars per month. You should be ready to work with a team. So I didn't have any negative experience with this type of clients yet, but it's not very easy to get one. What you can expect from them is that they will teach you everything you need to know about their brand or their business, but you must have prior experience with Shopify and e-commerce as they may not have time to teach you everything about e-commerce. So you will not be overwhelmed with all VA tasks as you will share tasks with your team members. You may be put in charge of product inventory while others may be in charge of customer service, social media, order fulfillment, and so on, depending on the size of workers. To be successful with these clients, you need to be able to work well with a team, be a problem solver and a critical thinker. You should also have time management skills as a virtual assistant. You can help these clients with tasks like order management, product research and listing, inventory management, customer service, and marketing campaign. To be an effective Shopify virtual assistant, you need to have some important skills. So here are some of the top skills you should have. First, you should have a deep understanding of the Shopify platform and e-commerce best practices. You should also have excellent communication and time management skills, be detail-oriented, comfortable with technology, and have some marketing skills. It is important to be cautious when looking for virtual assistant work because there are scams out there that target virtual assistants. I have personally experienced this a few times. So based on my experience, here are some tips for you to avoid getting scammed so that you not get scammed just like I was. Make sure to thoroughly research any potential clients. Never provide personal information or bank account information. If your clients are from freelance marketplace like Upwork or Fiverr or any other marketplace, be careful of the ones that want to work with you outside of the platform. Make sure they pay you at least half of your agreed payment before you start working. It's always helpful. Always use a trusted payment platform. So in conclusion, being a Shopify virtual assistant can be a great way to make money while helping clients grow their online business. Just remember to have the right skills, be cautious when looking for work, and always put your client's needs first. In my next video, I will talk about where to get clients that will hire you as a virtual assistant and my personal experience with this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section below and share it with your friends.